Hello and welcome, my amazing friends. Welcome back to NB English class. Today, you are not just watching another English video. Today, you are about to discover something that can completely change the way you speak English forever. Most people think, I can't speak English because my vocabulary is weak. My grammar is not good. But let me tell you the truth. That is not your real problem. Your brain understands English, but your mouth is not trained to speak it naturally. And that is why you hesitate, you pause. Even simple sentences feel difficult. You are learning English, but not training English. And remember this powerful line. Learning fills your mind, but training changes your behavior. Fluency doesn't come from learning more. Fluency comes from training your brain and your mouth to work together instantly. And today, I will teach you exactly how to do that using a powerful method called fire shadowing. Chapter 1. What is shadowing? Deep understanding. Shadowing is not just repeating. Normal learners, they listen, pause, repeat slowly. Real shadowing, you speak at the same time as the speaker. Like a shadow follows a person, you follow the voice instantly. Example, audio. I think this is a great opportunity for you. Normal way, stop, think, repeat slowly. Shadowing, speak with the audio immediately. Even if you miss words, keep going. Flow is more important than perfection. Chapter 2. Choose the right audio. Your progress depends on your audio. Follow this rule. Choose content you understand 70 to 80%. Too difficult, frustration. Too easy, no growth. Balanced, real improvement. Start with short audio, 10 to 20 seconds. Clear pronunciation, simple sentences. Depth creates fluency, not variety. Chapter 3. Three-step shadowing system. 1. Deep listening. Just listen carefully. Focus on sound, rhythm, connection. 2. Controlled shadowing. Speak slowly with clarity. Don't rush. 3. Full speed shadowing. Match the speaker's speed. Keep going even with mistakes. This builds real-life speaking ability. Chapter 4. Repetition equals fluency. Fluency is not about many sentences. It is about deep repetition. Repeat one sentence 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, until your mouth says it automatically. Example, I am trying to improve my English every day. After repetition, you won't think, you'll just speak. Fluency lives in your mouth, not your mind. Chapter 5. Learn natural English flow. Native speakers don't speak word by word. I want to go. They say, I want to go. This is called connected speech. Shadowing helps you sound natural, speak faster, and feel confident. Fluency is smooth flow, not perfect pronunciation. Chapter 6. Record yourself. This is where real improvement happens. Record your voice. Compare with the original. Improve and repeat. Ask yourself, am I fast enough? Am I smooth? Do I sound confident? Awareness creates improvement. Chapter 7. Never stop speaking. Biggest mistake? You stop when you don't know a word. From today, do not stop. Keep speaking, even if it's not perfect. Example, I was trying to explain something, but let me say it in a simple way. Fluency is continuous speaking, not perfect speaking. Chapter 8. Use real-life sentences. Stop learning single words. Start using ready-made sentences. Whens like, I am busy right now. I will call you later. I am working on something. I don't understand clearly. These are powerful because they are reusable. You don't create English, you reuse English. Target. Final message. If you follow this system daily, you will stop translating, stop overthinking, speak faster, sound natural, and feel confident. And people will not just say, your English is good. They will say, your English has completely changed. call to action. If you found this video helpful, like, comment your practice sentence, subscribe to NB English Class, and start your shadowing journey from today.